Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I'm actually pretty excited because this is a really unique fan and space heater that would work great for your home, or if you have a nice office or a cubicle, this thing would be perfect. This is actually a 2-in-1 that actually is a heater, but also can just convert up like this and become a fan. It's got a ceramic actual heating element in there, and I'm going to plug this in. It plugs into a standard 110 outlet and kind of show you some of the features of this. On the front here, you've got a power button to turn this thing on. We've got fan mode going right now. You've got 7 hours worth of timer on here. You got a 1, 2, 4, and then you can combine those up to a total of 7 hours worth of timer, which is going to fill most of your workday. With this thing closed, it actually can turn on a heater, and it actually will blow heat out of this. It's blowing out 800 watts. So it's actually going to put out quite a bit of heat and blows it out nice across the floor. If you've got cold feet, this would work perfect for that. And what I'm loving is it has fire. It's got a tip protection on that allows it to automatically shut off. It's now just blowing cool air. And then when you set it up, that's going to help with kids, pets, and things like that. It's going to automatically come back on. Then it starts blowing out the heat again, so that's fantastic. You can easily convert from heat to fan. Fantastic on that as well. A very compact design, would work well in any office or any home.